Welcome to Thenas Channel. This is 63 beautiful dining room design ideas that will inspire you to transform your space. Where we showcase the best ways to create a stunning dining area that enhances your home's beauty and functionality. Dining rooms are the heart of every home, where we gather with family and friends to enjoy meals and create lasting memories. This video is packed with ideas to help you design a dining room that's not only beautiful, but also fits your lifestyle perfectly. We'll take you through various styles, from timeless traditional layouts to cutting-edge modern designs. Are you looking for cozy farmhouse vibes, elegant chandeliers, or vibrant pops of color? We've got you covered. Each design is crafted to inspire, offering clever tips on maximizing space, choosing the right furniture, and incorporating decor that adds warmth and personality. Pay attention to how textures, lighting, and color schemes can dramatically transform the ambience. From neutral palettes that exude calm sophistication to bold, vibrant designs that make a statement, every slide is a masterpiece waiting to spark your imagination. If you're short on space, don't worry. Our small dining room ideas prove that style knows no boundaries. For those who love hosting, explore layouts perfect for entertaining guests. With these ideas, you can turn any dining area into a show-stopping centerpiece of your home. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Thenas Channel for more design inspirations, like this video to show your support, and leave a comment sharing your favorite design. Let's make your dining room dreams a reality. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this.